Hey, what's going on, you guys? If you're looking to make money by working from home, then I'm going to discuss that in this video. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are new here and you'd like to learn different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can work from home through affiliate marketing. But before I get into that, I just want to share a quick disclaimer with you guys. When it comes to this business, results are not typical. So in other words, this business is not intended for everybody. If you're looking to get rich overnight, that's not what this business is. But if you're serious about making money online and you're willing to put in the work in order to see the results that you want, maybe you might not see them tomorrow or next week, or maybe not even a year from now. But if you are willing to put in the work and you're consistent with it, you will see the results that you want. So that's who I'm talking to in this video. So when first getting started with affiliate marketing, the first thing that you need to do is to pick a niche. So what a niche is a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. So what I recommend for you to do when you're picking a niche is to find something that you're passionate about. Whether you're picking the sports niche, the make money online niche, or the weight loss niche, just go with something that you're passionate about. The reason why I say this, because if you don't go with something you're passionate about, most likely you're going to lose interest in it when you don't see the results that you want, and you're going to give up. So that's the first thing that you need to do, is to first pick a niche. So when you figure out what niche you want to promote, the next thing you need is a lead magnet. So what a lead magnet is a free offer that you're going to be giving away to people who sign up to be onto your email list. So you're going to be giving your free offer away to people in exchange for their email. So just to be clear, this is going to be something that's related to your niche. So a free offer can be something like an ebook, a video, a survey, or even a one-on-one phone call with you, depending on what niche you're promoting. The purpose of your free offer is to give value to the people based on your niche. So the next thing that you need to do is to create an email list. So in order to create an email list, you're going to need an email software service. So what an email software service provides is it allows you to create an email list, to have people put on that list, and to have emails sent out to those people on your list through an automated schedule. So if you're looking for some websites that offer some email service software, you can check out MailChimp, you can check out GetResponse, you can check out SendLane, and also ClickFunnels. Now all of these websites offer the tools that you need in order to create your sales funnel. Now with these websites, you do have to pay to use their services, but some of them do offer a free trial. And you can check out any of those websites and check them out for yourself. So once you decide which email software service to go with, that's when you need to create your email list. So your email list is going to be a list of people who sign up with their email in order to receive your free offer. Now they're going to be put onto your email list. And after you created your email list, the next thing you're going to do is to build your landing page. So this is also referred to as a lead capture page. So what a landing page is a page that people are going to be directed to in order to see your free offer. So if you're targeting the people in your niche, your landing page should be able to capture their attention. So when you're creating a landing page, you're going to also want to have a catchy headline in the title. So let's say for the example of this video, you're in the health and fitness niche, and you want to focus on people who are looking to build muscle. So your landing page can have a headline, something stating are you looking to get ripped? And the people who are looking to build muscle are going to notice this headline because you're addressing a problem that they're having. So let me just illustrate it for you how it should look. So this is going to be your landing page right here. Right here is going to be your title. It can be something like, are you looking to get ripped? So that's going to be your title to capture your target audience's attention. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to instruct them on what to do next. So it can be something like, here's how to get started. It's going to be under your title, and below right here is going to be where they're going to enter their email. They're going to click this button to receive the free offer that you're providing. So once they enter their email, they click on that button, they're going to be redirected to your free offer, but they're also going to be put onto your email list now. Now this is where your autoresponder sequence comes into play. So with these autoresponder emails, they're all going to be written out by you beforehand, and they're going to be sent out to the people onto your email list on a scheduled basis. So just to remind you guys, all of these tools that I'm talking about are provided through the email service software. The landing page, the email list, the autoresponder sequence, those are all provided through the websites that I mentioned earlier. So when it comes to delivering your autoresponder emails, what you're going to want to focus on is to deliver value into each one of your emails that you're sending out to your target audience. So since we're talking about the health and fitness niche for the example of this video, your emails have to be delivering value based on health and fitness. So the first email can be something like 5 exercises to burn fat. The second email can be something talking about cardio. The point is you have to deliver value based on the niche that you're in. Because the people who are reading those emails are looking for a solution to a problem that they have. So you want to make sure that you're giving them value in each one of the emails that you're sending them. The reason why I stress this part so much is because when you're delivering value into your emails, people are going to resonate with the message that you're delivering. And when people do that, they're more likely to purchase the affiliate product that you have to offer to them. So in each one of your emails, along with delivering value, you also want to give a call to action at the end of your emails. So a call to action can be something as simple as saying, if you're ready to develop lean muscle, click here to get started, and have a link to the affiliate product that you're promoting. It can be something like a weight loss supplement or a fat burning supplement. So what I want you guys to keep in mind when creating the whole process of this sales funnel, because that's what all of this is a sales funnel, is I want you guys to ask yourself, how can I help the people that are in my niche? Or what are the problems that the people on my email list are having? Because when you start to address problems that people are having, that's when you can really start to make sales in this business. Because when you think about it, you're helping people solve a problem and charging them a fee. You're not really selling anybody anything, you're just providing them a solution to a problem that they're having. So that's basically it when it comes to affiliate marketing. And there are a lot of people out there who make a full-time income with just this method alone. So if you're serious about starting an online business and making money from home, then I hope you learned something from this video today. And if you're looking to start your own online business and have the support of other people who are making money online, working from home, then you can check out the link in the top of the description for a great program that teaches you a lot about online marketing. And if you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link to a free ebook download in the description called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this free ebook does is it helps you decide what niche to promote and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys found it valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.